Hello everyone, welcome to a quick comparison video between ClickFunnels and Leadpages. So as you can see, we're going to compare ClickFunnels versus Leadpages. Now, as you can see, both tools help convert visitors into leads and are for paying customers, but the main difference is between ClickFunnels and Leadpages is that ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder and Leadpages is a landing page builder. Now, these are pretty much similar terms, I would say. Landing page builder and sales funnel builder, this is pretty much the same, but let me just show you the comparison between these two. So as you can see, both are great choices, but they have different features, right? Leadpages is mostly a page builder with some basic sales funnel features, while on the other hand, ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is designed specifically for creating sales funnels. Now, I would right off the bat say that Leadpages is a lot more cheaper and it's a lot more simpler to use than ClickFunnels, right? ClickFunnels is for people that are experienced and for businesses that are experienced and that want to start generating more money immediately, and for the businesses and people that know how to use ClickFunnels, right? When it comes to Leadpages, it's much more simpler. It's for people that don't want to go too deep into selling, and it's definitely for people that already have a set up marketing for their business, right? On the other hand, sales funnels are more for selling, right? ClickFunnels. So as you can see, I mean, both of them have a great price. Obviously, ClickFunnels, $127 per month is great because for ClickFunnels, you get a lot more integrations, templates, email workflows, CRM, stuff like that, right? And when it comes to Leadpages, for $37 a month, you only get that basic page builder with some basic sales funnel features, right? Now, Leadpages, again, it's powerful, simple, drag and drop landing page builder. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is a full-fledged, all-in conversion marketing platform. So ClickFunnels is not just a sales platform, right? It's more so a marketing and sales funnel platform. So in short, Leadpages is a great tool for building high-converting landing page. But if you want a complete conversion marketing solution, ClickFunnels is the way to go. So right off the bat, you can see here what are the key features for ClickFunnels and Leadpages. I will not go through all of this list, but I would say that if you want a all-in-one platform with everything, choose ClickFunnels and you will pay for it again with a good price, right? Which is $130. That's a lot for some people and not a lot for some other people, right? Now, when it comes to Leadpages is great, but again, it's not a marketing and sales platform. It's just a website builder at the end of the day. So if you want a website builder, Leadpages is a clear winner here. If you want a all-in-one marketing platform, ClickFunnels is a winner here because ClickFunnels will allow you to, generate revenue with sales funnels, create sales funnels, use a CRM, have a lot of templates for sales funnels, email marketing, stuff like that, right? It's more so a big platform for marketing and sales, while on the other hand, again, Leadpages is just a website design or no-code editor for websites, right? And Leadpages, basically. So landing pages, basically. So yeah, so what I would say is ClickFunnels is obviously a winner here just because it offers a lot more stuff than Leadpages, but if you don't have a budget, Leadpages is the winner for you, right? It depends, which kind of business you want to run, for what you want to use it, and stuff like that, right? Now, comment down below, what do you think, which platform wins the race here? I would say ClickFunnels, but definitely comment down below. I would love to see your opinions as well. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.